We want to help keep your vehicle looking as good as the day you first drove it away. Introducing our range of cosmetic protection products, all geared to ensure your vehicle stays in prime physical condition. As your car puts more miles on the clock, more scuffs, scrapes and bumps can occur, which can be frustrating and expensive to put right. Everyday motoring hazards like potholes, curbs and stone chips can quickly lead to your vehicle looking tired and worn. As well as being costly to put these things right, scratches and chips can reduce the value of your vehicle when you come to sell it. Our range of cosmetic protection products can give you peace of mind should any mishaps occur. With nationwide coverage available from an army of skilled technicians, we'll ensure your car is looking as good as new again in no time. Making a claim is easy, and we'll complete the repairs at your preferred location, whether that be home, work, or taking it to a garage. Plus, there's no excess to pay. Terms and conditions and claim limitations apply. Speak with an advisor today for more information and keep your car looking as good as day one.